Hi, this is Mick Elliott of Electronic Specifier Embedding World. I am on the Dialog Semiconductor stand, here to talk to Mark Hopgood, Senior Director Corporate Strategy, about some of the actions that Dialog is taking to enter the Industrial IoT market.
Hi. So a few years ago, as a company, we took the strategy to add a fifth market to the Dialog Semiconductor initial four markets that we're in. So the four markets we are in traditionally are mobile systems. So this is smartphones, power management ICs, AC/DC charging ICs. We also do computing and storage. We also do IoT, traditional IoT, so smart home and things like that, where we see our Bluetooth low energy products and our low power Wi-Fi. And then we also moved into automotive. In fact, Dialog has traditionally been an automotive supplier for over 2 decades. The new development for us is that we enter into the industrial IoT market space. And we realized very early on that to try and do that organically, where it's a market that has very established suppliers and extremely strong relationships that go back decades, would be foolish. So we went on an acquisition strategy to achieve our position in that market through inorganic growth development. So we've made a few investments over that period. So last year we completed the acquisition of a low power Wi-Fi company from Silicon Motion. And this gave us the opportunity to start to replace some of the low power Zigbee type solutions and connect directly to the gateway directly with Wi-Fi. So to cut out that low power radio in the middle and still have battery operated devices. Okay. Then towards the end of last year, we completed a second acquisition of Creative Chips in Germany, just outside of Frankfurt. And this gave us ASICs in industrial and also some standard products, which we'll come on to later, the IO-Link products. That is a relationship that goes back over 2 decades with some formidable industrial customers and partners. And you'll hear from the general manager of that business group, Lutz Poromka, in a little while. And then most recently, in fact just last week, we announced our intention to acquire Adesto in the US. So this is a company that now gives us over 5,000 new customers across the industrial space and supplements the production-focused ingress into industrial that Creative Chips gave us to the building automation that Adesto now brings to us.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much, Mark. Thank you. Okay, as Mark just indicated in our previous interview, Dialog is moving into industrial IoT and acquired Creative Chips. Here with me now is Lutz Poromka, who was CEO of Creative Chips and is now Vice President of Industrial Unit here at Dialog. And at the show, Dialog and Lutz unveiled a new device, a new IO-Link device. Lutz, could you talk us just through some of the features of this new device?
Yes, I think IO-Link is a technology which is used for the last intelligent meters of communication inside the industrial environment. And we started to build up a product portfolio in IO-Link in 2009 already. And yesterday we just announced the latest member of that product family. That's the 4503 IO-Link Phi. Our old devices, they had always a rather rich portfolio of features, and we just downstripped the feature set to the required minimum for IO-Link communication. And that was that is the new device, which is based on a most advanced semiconductor technology. It's a SOI technology that gives us most robust functionality of the device with excellent price performance ratio. Yeah.
And the devices, do you see specific applications for this, or can it be across the broader IoT market?
Again, it's a device, it's a Phi, a physical interface IC for IO-Link technology. So it is in between the sensor and higher levels of hierarchy inside the industrial automation environment. That's a typical application. It's dedicated for IO-Link applications.
Okay, Lutz, thank you very much.
Yeah,
thank you.